Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fourth numerical of slope deflection method. Question is given as analyze the frame shown in figure, also draw the bending moment diagram. Now we have to analyze this frame ABC having uniformly distributed load in span BC of intensity 6 kN per meter and span length of 4 meter. Similarly, the span length of AB is also 4 meter, which does not carry any external load. Now, before analyzing this frame, we need to identify the fixed end moment in various span. So, for finding the fixed end moments, we know that the fixed end moment of AB will be equals to fixed end moment of BA will be equals to 0 kilonewton meter, because there will be no external loading acting in span AB, so the fixed end moment will be equals to 0. Now fixed end moment in BC will be equals to minus WL square by 12 because of uniformly distributed load. So it will be equals to minus 6 into 4 square by 12, and its value will be equals to minus 8 kilonewton meter. Similarly, for span CB, the fixed end moment will be equals to plus WL square by 12, and after putting all the value, that is plus 6 into 4 square by 12, we will get this value as plus 8 kilonewton meter. Now we had computed all the fixed end moment. Now we have to write the slope deflection equation for AB, for BA, for BC and for CB. Now at support A as well as at B and at support C, there will be no deflection which is given in the question. So delta value will be 0 for A, B and C. Okay students. Now we will write the slope deflection equation for various spans. Slope deflection equation for MAB, it will be equals to MFAB, that is fixed end moment of AB, plus 2EI upon L 2 theta A plus theta B, and delta is 0, so we don't write the delta value. Now theta A is always 0 because of fixed support at A. Due to fixed support, the rotation is 0, so theta A is always 0. After putting the values, we will get this as 0 plus 2EI by 4 into theta B, because theta A is 0, we will get the MAB is equals to 0.5 EI theta B. That will be the value of MAB. Similarly, we can determine the value of MBA, which will be equals to fixed end moment of BA plus 2EI upon L 2 theta B plus theta A, and delta value is 0 as well as theta A is also 0. So we will get this value as 0 plus 2EI by 4 into 2 theta B. After multiplying this value, we will get MBA as EI theta B. That will be the value of MBA. Now we will compute the value of MBC, which will be equals to MFBC plus 2EI upon L into 2 theta B plus theta C. Now we will write the fixed end moment of BC, which will be equals to minus 8 plus 2EI by 4 2 theta B plus theta C. After solving this, we will get MBC equals to EI theta B plus 0.5 EI theta C minus 8. Now MCB is equals to MFCB plus 2EI upon L 2 theta c plus theta b, and delta is 0. Now putting the value of MCB as plus 8 plus 2 EI by 4, 2 theta c plus theta b, we will get this value as 0.5 EI theta b plus EI theta c plus 8. That will be the value of MCB. Now we have to write the joint equilibrium condition, that is at joint B, MBA plus MBC is equals to 0, and at C, MCB is equals to 0 because of hinge support. Now we have to write the joint equilibrium condition, that is at joint B, the sum of MBA plus MBC is equals to 0 because these two members are meeting at joint B. So the net moment is equals to 0. On putting the value of MBA and MBC, we will get EI theta B plus EI theta B plus 0.5 EI theta C minus 8 is equals to 0. On solving this, we will get equation as 2 EI theta B plus 0.5 EI theta C is equals to 8. That is our first equation. Now we will use another joint equilibrium condition, that is MCB is equals to 0 due to hinge support. So it will be equals to 0.5 EI theta B plus EI theta C. It will be equals to minus 8. That is our second equation. On solving first and second, we will get EI theta B is equals to 6.857 and EI theta C is equals to minus 11.428. Now we will put this value in MBA and in MBC and MCB and all the equation. We will get MAB as, the equation of MAB is equals to 0.5 into EI theta B. On putting the value of EI theta B, we will get this as 0.5 into 6.857, which will be equals to 3.429 kilonewton meter. That will be the moment at AB. Similarly, we can compute the moment at BA. On putting the value of EI theta B and EI theta C, it will be equals to EI theta B and its value will be equals to 6.857 kilonewton meter. That will be the value of MBA. Similarly, we can determine MBC, which will be equals to EI theta B plus 0.5 EI theta C minus 8. On putting the value of EI theta B and EI theta C, we will get the MBC value as minus 6.857 kilonewton meter. Similarly, MCB will be equals to 0 kilonewton meter because of hinge support. So we had determined all the moment, that is MAB, MBA, MBC and MCB. Now we have the moments at all the spans, so we can plot the bending moment diagram. For plotting the bending moment diagram, first of all we need to compute the mid-span maximum positive bending moment in the span BC due to uniformly distributed load of 6 kN per meter. Now due to this 6 kN per meter UDL, the mid-span maximum positive bending moment will be equals to WL square by 8. Okay, so its value will be equals to, on putting the value in this equation, this value will be equals to 12 kilonewton meter. Now at BC, there will be a moment of 6.857 of negative sign. Similarly, at C, value will be equals to 0. So we can draw the straight line here. Its value will be equals to 6.857. Similarly, at BA and at AB, the moment at AB will be equals to plus 3.429. So it will be on the downside of the base axis. Its value will be equals to 3.429, and on the right side of section XX there will be a moment of positive 6.857, so it will be plotted above the axis, that is 6.857. Now we have to join these moments by a straight line like this. This moment is below the axis, so its value will be positive throughout. It is throughout negative, it is throughout negative, and here positive and negative compensate each other, and here the moment is throughout positive. So the net moment acting on the frame is positive in this zone, negative in this zone, similarly negative in this zone, as well as positive in this zone. So we had completely analyzed this frame and we had determined the moments at various spans, as well as we had plotted the bending moment diagram of this frame. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.